Gentlemen, it's another time. Are you ready now? Let's go. They put their feet, man. They gonna watch this sea. So you see this feet like you no go see it, no go see it, no go see it, no go see it. See we gonna play them tape, man. So you see this tape, I got you no go see it, no go see it, no go see it, no go see it. See, I no go suffer every day to secure the bag and suffer to enjoy. Oh my man.
Industries is a Nigerian furniture manufacturing company here in Abuja. They make customized, classy, and durable furniture for your home, office, and commercial or retail spaces. Their product ranges include home furnitures from sofas, dining sets, tastefully furnished kitchens, wardrobes, and closets. They also stock office furniture such as desks, chairs, open offices, screen partitions, conference rooms, and so much more. You can also contact them to set your hotel rooms, bars, and restaurant spaces. Other products and services include doors, wall paneling, and custom furniture. GU Ebeko is literally your one-stop furniture haven for your home, office, and business. Their showroom is located in Idu Industrial Area. Stop by to learn more about their product range and services. More details is on their website and in our caption. Check them out.